Hello children, welcome to GK class. In the last class, you learned about different trees. You have seen different trees around your house. You also know their name. Children, during the summer, we ate mangoes, then jackfruits. Still, some people are eating mangoes because still mangoes are available in markets. After eating mangoes or jackfruits, what do? We throw the seeds. And when a seed fall on the ground, after some time we see the seed is sprouting, and from this seed we get a big tree after few months or after a year and so. But it happens step by step, not in one day, not in 2 days. So today you will number the growing of a tree from seed to a big tree. So take your book and turn to page number 67, and I will tell you how will you number the picture. See children, there are different pictures given here showing how a seed is growing into a big tree. Now you have to number them one by one, step by step. So first of all, you have to start with what? You have to start with a seed. So find out where is seed. Yes. Before that, you have to find out where is the seed. Seed is inside a fruit. And where is the fruit here? I think fruit is here. So you have to number this picture as number 1. And then after that, what happens to this seed which is inside the fruit? You have to number them one by one. That I will not tell you, but I will see this as a homework. So you will number this step by step, and you will send this answer to me by mail. I will check it out. Go to the next page. Children, as you have seen so many trees around your house, you must have noticed one thing, that trees have got different types of leaves. One tree has long leaf, another tree may have short leaf, another tree may have broad leaves, another tree may have thin and narrow leaves. So different trees have got different types of leaves. Now in your book some pictures are given. What you have to do? you have to match the leaves with their respective trees, with their proper trees. So look at the book, page number 67. Sorry, page number 68. This is also homework for you. What you have to do here? You have to match the leaves with their correct trees. Now I will not tell which one will match with which tree, because this is your homework. Children, do this homework on the book itself and send them to me. I will check them out. Thank you.